Assalamualaikum. I would like to say salam Ramadan. And today, kalau you all belum tengah nak tunggu buka puasa ke, tengah nak tunggu sahur ke apa, let's watch this tutorial. So easy to pakai this Lush Satin. I have it in plain and also with the crystals. Senang sangat. You just see the tulang belakang here. You put in front of you and then you tarik naik atas. Tarik all of it and you put belakang leher you. Okay. Then you will create like the round shape sini, like a loop. And then you turn. You turn. We call it pusing lapan or macam drive creator lagi tu. Then you put it on top of your head. Then you boleh betul-betulkan sini. You untanglekan dia, kasih dia rata kat dalam. See, you untangle it so it's comfortable inside. You will create this flow. Then you can buat macam shawl. You can make it kemas and do this. And you pin here. You can pin these two together or you can pin one by one pun boleh. You can also pin this side kalau nak kemas. This one you boleh kemas-kemaskan. You see, the material is premium satin. It's very good. It's very silky. Dia sangat lembut. Dia ada natural flow. So you can just adjust lah the length of this. You can adjust from here, and then you can pendekkan or you can panjangkan. Kalau you nak panjangkan, then you can just tarik macam ini. Easy Lush Satin.